This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Marnie Weaver. Many improvements have been done to this spacious home in Harbour Isles. New roof, OCT 2024, AC, 2024, hot water heater, 2023, water softener and irrigation system. You will love the open floor plan offering large living room upon entry, spacious eat-in kitchen with view of the large pond. Situated on nearly 1/4 acre lot, fully fenced with plenty of room to add a pool. Enjoy your privacy while watching the ducks/wildlife on the water from the screened and covered lanai. No carpet in the home. Floors are vinyl throughout with exception of kitchen/baths which have ceramic tile. Primary bedroom is exceptionally large, 18 by 15, large walk-in closet, dual sinks and bath and has water view. Secondary rooms also provide ample space for family or guests. The community offers fitness center, pool, playground, walking trails west/fishing piers and boat/RV storage, might have wait list. Close to hospitals, restaurants, shopping and more. You can be to some of the nicest beaches in FL within an hour. Don't wait to see this home. For more information,